What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Laser Kicks coming back with just another video. Today is going to be a different video. It's still going to be a review, but I'm going to go in depth in this shoe because this is one of my grails. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. Alright, YouTube, we back. So what we have here is a black Nike box with the Nike gloss finish. As we all know, that these boxes like this are more of the premium Air Maxes. The official name and colorway is Nike Air Max 1 Deluxe Wheat Sports Red Bison. So what we have here today is the Nike Air Max 1 Animal Pack 2.0. This shoe is an acquired taste. It's loud. It's a lot going on the shoe. The shoes come with white shoestrings, black, red, and green. I have the white in because that's what I like. I like that look on it. So let's get into this review. We're gonna start at the upper and work our way down. So what we have on this upper, which is pony hair, and the designer of the shoe went on a safari adventure, and every animal that he saw that inspired him to do the shoe is in this shoe. So let's just go ahead and go. We're going to start at the tongue, which is giraffe print. That giraffe print, and then you have the Nike Air Max embroidered tag on there. Then you come to the side panels, which are the tiger print. It's the tiger print on both side panels. And you have that red Nike. On the toe box, you have that black bear. And also on the toe box, going around to the mud guard, all the way to the booty of the shoe, you have that leopard print. Around the top of the shoe, you have that zebra print. And the inside of the shoe is done in that tan color. The insole is white, and on the heel of the insole you have that Nike branding in red. Then you come down to the midsole, which is white all the way around. You come to the air window, and you can see that it's green on the inside, just like the Nike that's embroidered on the back, Nike Air. On the outsole, they finished it off with a gum bottom. This shoe is inspired by the ones that came out in 2007, the Air Max Animal Pack 1.0. The only difference is it had an off-white toe box. What I like about this shoe is it's loud. It's something that you can wear with a lot of things. You have to have an acquired taste to wear these. It has to be a must to go out and cop this shoe. I would put these at a top 5 Air Max. I'm not gonna lie, this is one of my top 5 Air Max. I'm trying to get the other two that I want to have my top 5, and I'll show y'all. I don't have them yet, but I will have them soon. But these are the Animal Pack 2.0s. They are a nice shoe. I don't have any complaints about this shoe. The pony hair on here, it's like real soft. Like all over the shoe is real soft. So basically, if you didn't here, or if you wasn't paying attention, we have black bear, leopard print, tiger, zebra, and giraffe, all on one shoe. The red and the green in the shoe is symbolized for herbivores for the green and carnivores for the red. As you can see, it's hits of red and green in the shoe. So when he put his mind, when he did his thought, he put a lot of thought into this shoe, and I had to give him a salute, hand clap, whatever you want to call it. He did good on this shoe, on this Air Max 1. Look, you're gonna get some on feet, so don't even worry about it. But until next time, thanks for watching. Remember, stay on your grind and make sure nobody tell you can't shine. It's your boy Larry the Kicks. Signing out. Peace.
I'm running till I'm tired. On my 10 toes and my Air Maxes and they tied up. You ain't fuck with me, I was broke, you fucking liar. I told them hoes don't try to blow and I'm on fire. Pop up at your party, cleaner than a fucking mobster. Tryna get to know me, that's that 4 week, that's that cop stuff. Man, you is that nigga, if that 40 do not stop ya. Lance respiratory to the story to them doctors. Wired. Hey, I hit the gas and she admire. I can't tell her nothing, she gon' pop what she desire. She ain't got no life, just waiting on a bitch to try her. If he let it loose, I'ma die diving for my pliers. AR and AK with matching gloss and that ain't Maybelline. Just look where we at and then ask me why I cannot play with him. Hanging with a rat, no turning back, pussy you gay with him. Fuck PTO, bitch, I'm a boss, I tell him pray for me. Running up a bag and after that I gotta chase a dream. Except for I'm throwing weapons in the lake with him. I'm a OG, I can do business and I make a scene. I'm an OG, not touching nothing to the kids, ayy. I'm from the town up and get down in my mid-state. Bait on with a bitch, she pulling up like what the niggas say. If he agree to hide on peas, it's a big play. I'm chasing hundreds and I'm running till I'm tired. On my 10 toes and my Air Maxes and they tied up. You ain't fuck with me, I was broke, you fucking liar. I told them hoes don't try to blow and I'm on fire. I feel like a rock star, turning up like Kiss. Flexing with the muscle card, take a nigga, bitch. I really hate the slide, but every now and then I slip. Yeah, pull up at your show and start performing with the stick. He said I was faking, but he wasn't on the list. Niggas meet they makers tryna take up for they friends. Put her shades on when she see me, cause she looking through the lens. She admitted I could take her if I bait her with the Benz. When you see me in some Fendi, don't say nothing to me. Smoking glue and VIP, and now I'm stuck to the seat. Ay, wherever I'm at, I'm in a cuts with that yeet. If a nigga think he cold, he ain't got nothing but heat. Ay, you know what I'm saying, ain't no future in a freak. She knew I was playing when I hit it to the beat. If you ain't fuck with me on land, I see you on the beach. If you ain't hollering while I'm